Filipinos all over the world are in grief. Thousands tuned in to the special television coverage of Cory Aquino's funeral procession to the Manila Memorial Park. To some Filipino Americans, it was also an opportunity to teach their children a valuable history lesson.
Pagkamating ni Cory, nakita nila, who's that dad? So sinabi ko nga, yan ang ex-president natin. And that was the time na after martial law.
I didn't really know her. I just knew like Chris Aquino and like her family. I feel proud of being Filipino because the appreciation that they're giving Cory Aquino, in her funeral.
For Ago Pedalizo, who was at EDSA 23 years ago, watching the thousands who joined the funeral procession brought back good memories.
Tuwing may makikita akong ganitong mass movement, may malaking pagtitipon, kung may pera lang ako, uwi ako ng Pilipinas.